Hello everyone, myself CGN Dr. Seema Rathi from School of Law and Legal Studies, Sage University, Bhopal. My today's video lecture is on Constitutional Safeguards for Women, Part 2nd. Article 14 to 30, which have discussed in the earlier PPT. Now we will start from Article 32. 32 to 35 talks about constitutional remedies. That is also known as writ jurisdiction. The Constitution guarantees certain remedies if the fundamental rights of the citizens are violated. The state doesn't have the power or authority to infringe the right of any individual. In case these rights are violated, the aggrieved individual can approach the courts. They can even directly approach to the Supreme Court through writ jurisdiction for the enforcement of their fundamental rights. There are 5 kinds of writs that can be issued by the court. First is habeas corpus. The term habeas corpus means to have the body of. As per this writ, the court has the authority to call upon any person who is being detained to assess the legality of their detention. Second is certiorari. The term certiorari means to be certified. By the virtue of this writ, a higher court reviews a case that has been tried in a lower court. It is basically employed to seek judicial review of a decision given by a court. Third is prohibition. The writ of prohibition is issued by a court to restrict or prohibit the lower courts, tribunals, and other such quasi-judicial authorities from acting beyond their legal authority. Next is mandamus. The term mandamus means we recommend. This writ is employed by the court to direct a public official who has failed or refused to do his duty to resume his work. And fifth one is quo warranto. It means by what authority or warrant. The Supreme Court or High Court employ this writ to avoid illegal possession of a public office by an individual. Thank you.